Hi everyone, today I will be talking about the new Windows 10 May 2019 update. Let's go! The first thing you will notice is the new flat design minimal default wallpaper, which complements the soft theme colors as you can see here. This stands out for me as a modern design and I love it to bits. The second feature is the separation of the search tool and Cortana, with searches being more organized and targeted. Moving right along, Microsoft has introduced 3 base colors for the theme to choose from, mainly dark, light and custom. Windows will have one power profile and it will no longer be plug-in and battery, which is great because now you don't have to struggle. The new task menu is much more organized and still editable to the individual tasks and groups as well. So you can remove the productivity group as well as the explore group. The Snip and Sketch app has been improved with more functions, making it fun and easy to use. The clipboard is now easily accessible for the user on the right hand side of the screen. This is good because it makes everything readily available to copy and paste. And lastly, my favorite feature, which is the Windows Sandbox, to secure running untrusted applications without putting your device at risk. Let me know if there are any other features I overlooked in the comments below. Stay woke and stay conscious. See you next time.